Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be presenting a step-by-step guide on how to renew your Nigerian passport from the comfort of your home and completing the contactless biometric enrollment. Before now, you have to travel, stay in an hotel, have an appointment with the High Commission in your various countries, sit and wait endlessly for the renewal process. This video can be used as a guide to complete the application in all the countries currently processing contactless application. Please watch the video to the end. The first step is to visit the NIS website, that is www.passport.immigration.gov.ng. I will leave the link in my bio for easy navigation. On this page, you will see an important notice that is going to ask you to apply from outside Nigeria. Please click Apply from outside Nigeria and continue. The next screen is going to be Passport Application Services. On this screen, you will choose to apply for renewal or reissue. Here, you'll be required to sign in with your Google account or sign up using an open ID. The next thing is to input your NIN and your date of birth, then verify. The next screen will pull out your details from the NIS database, showing your name, your date of birth, and other information on file. Please fill out any blank line if the information is missing on the page, then confirm and continue. On this page, you will enter your current passport number, your date of birth, and verify. The page will show your data matches what is on the NIS website. On the right-hand side, you can see match data all checked in green. Please confirm and continue. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel to get notification for new information. This screen is the step 1 in the entire renewal process, where you will have to select the reason for the renewal, which will be expired passport. Input your passport number, the processing country, the embassy, and the booklet type. You can choose the 32 pages that expires in 5 years or the 64 pages that is valid for 10 years. The 5-year passport costs $150, while the 10 years is $230 USD. There is a contactless fee of $100 charged for either of the validity type. Please choose the self-enrollment option at the bottom and continue. You have to upload a colored passport photograph and continue. Please read about the specification that is required, and you have to make sure you are in compliance with the specification. This section contains your personal details. Please fill them out as accurately as possible. Your title, your surname, your first name, and your date of birth, gender, place of birth, country of birth, marital status, your occupation, your maiden name if there is any, and the communication email, and continue. At every point, you can also save and exit to come back later to complete the application. Step 4 is your contact information. Your phone number is required. Your current address, your country, the state, province, region, or county, whichever is applicable to you. Your permanent address in Nigeria is also required. You will have to choose the state of origin, your hometown, your local government, and continue. On this page, the next of kin information is required: their name, their relationship with you, the address, the country they reside, and after that, you please complete all the information as necessary and click continue. In step 6, you will have to upload your birth certificates and a data page of your passport. These are the items with asterisks. They are very important, otherwise you're not able to proceed. You can also preview to verify that the correct documents were uploaded. Then you hereby confirm by checking the tiny box at the bottom that says, I hereby confirm that all the documents I have provided are genuine, readable, new. On this screen, you will see the summary of the application. Everything has been filled so far. Kindly review and make any necessary correction if there's any need for it. You can do that by using the edit button in the middle. If everything is okay, Check the box that says I hereby confirm at the bottom and then confirm and submit the application. Once the application is submitted, there's going to be a congratulations screen like this. Then you can proceed to the contactless enrollment. The next step is to visit the Play Store and download the NIS app using your Android phone. Once the app is open, you have to create a profile at the bottom, choose the username and the password, then follow the prompts to activate your account. While you're on the app, use the option for contactless biometric enrollment, then start taking your biometrics. There's a guideline here. Please read all the guidelines as much as possible and detailed as possible. Enter your application and reference number to check your eligibility. On the app, there will be a card that is showing your passport photograph. You will be required to take a selfie. You scan your left hand fingers, your right fingers, your left thumb, and your right thumb. While you are doing this, it will show the percentage of the registration progress in terms of the registration of your biometrics. On the app, you're going to see the summary of the application that was filled earlier on. The app will also show the biometrics that is captured, the applicant photo, your left fingers, right fingers, left and right thumb, and payment completed. Everything is going to be checked in green like this. Then you can complete the enrollment once the payment is made. In the app also, there will be a payment confirmation screen like this, and underneath you can view the application summary. The status of the application is going to be waiting for approval from the NIS for a few days. Once the application is approved by the NIS, it will change to vetted as the approval status, which takes a few days. Once this is completed, please send your expired passport to the various high commissions in your country of residence, which with the required money order or draft. Don't forget to also send a self-addressed envelope along with it, because that is what they will use to return the expired passport and the new passport back to you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates, like the video and share. Thank you very much.